डियर स्टूडेंट्स, बात करते हैं ग्रुप डिस्कशन। ये जो परिचर्चा है, ये समूह में बिठाल के ये करी क्यों जाती है, ये समझना है। स्क्रीनिंग, व्हाई डू दे डू दैट? बेसिकली दिस ग्रुप डिस्कशन चेक्स नॉट ओनली योर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बट ऑल्सो चेक्स योर इंटरपर्सनल स्किल। कैसे आप ग्रुप के साथ बोल सकते हैं। विल यू बी एबल टू इम्प्रेस देम? इम्प्रेस का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि आई हैव टू लुक लाइक अ हीरो। यू इम्प्रेस मीन्स विल यू रेलिवेंटली टॉक, दूसरों को आपकी बात कन्विंसिंग लगती है, लॉजिकल बात करते हैं, यू हैव द राइट टोन टू टॉक, ये सब चेक करते हैं। बिकॉज व्हाट इज अ लीडर हु हैज नो फॉलोअर्स और हु हैज नो वन हु एग्रीज विद हिम और हर? क्या फायदा है ऐसे लीडर के जिसको कोई सहमत ना हो? इसलिए बहुत जरूरी है ग्रुप डिस्कशंस कराए जाए। उसे पता चलेगा आप कितने प्रभावशाली बोल रहे हैं, आपकी कितनी अच्छी लाजमी बातचीत है, तो दे विल लर्न समथिंग अबाउट यू एंड दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट दे वांट टू चेक इन योर ग्रुप डिस्कशन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस। द ग्रुप डिस्कशन हैज अ डिफाइंड गोल टू कम टू अ कॉमन स्टोरी। ये तो सबको मालूम है, कॉमन स्टोरी। आप में से बहुत सारे सोचते हैं कि ग्रुप डिस्कशन इज टू स्पीक योर ओन स्टोरी, अपनी कहानी मनवानी। नो, इट इज टू कम टू अ कॉमन स्टोरी। घर बनाते हैं, प्लान करते हैं, तो कुछ पापा की जोड़ते हैं, कुछ मम्मी की, कुछ सब लोग की एडवाइस जोड़ के तभी तो घर प्लान करते हैं। बट अगर आप ये सोचते हैं कि आप ही का बस कमरा बने और सबका कुछ ना बने, तो आप कहीं गलत हैं। यू आर रॉन्ग। सो दैट इज एग्जैक्टली द पर्पस। वी वांट टू चेक दैट. It is important to know that it is not to advocate its own story. Thus, the candidate is expected to logically communicate, assimilate. Communicate और assimilate माने दूसरों की बात भी स्वीकारना, compromise, थोड़ा सा adjust करना। आप compromise बुला लीजिए, adjust बुला लीजिए। If you call it adjustment, fine. You want to call it compromise, fine. Then you come to logically conclude also and convince what we have to do. Thus the common story would have been modified. ये याद रखिएगा, आपकी कभी भी common story हमेशा एक modified form में मिलती, क्योंकि some suggestions from here, some suggestions from you, some suggestions from you, some suggestions from there. That is the way a common story comes up. Okay? So as a result, include. There are many times you see a lot of people arguing in home, a lot of people arguing in places. Why? Because they want to prove only their point. They don't understand that if they come to a common point of consensus, they do much better. Much better. Remember that. Objective of the group discussion, I mean purpose, is not to convince a story as the valid story, but to be concluded, as it is often misunderstood, as a fight like cats and dogs. Why are you fighting? भाई बिल्ली कुत्तों की तरह लड़िए मत, आराम से डिस्कशन कीजिए, कुछ अपना सुनाइए, कुछ उनका, कुछ कॉपरेट कीजिए। लर्न फ्रॉम दिस। द टैक्टफुल मैनेजमेंट ऑफ फोकसिंग ऑन लॉजिक इन कॉमन सेंस। अगर आप थोड़ा सा लॉजिक और कॉमन सेंस पर रखेंगे तो अच्छा कॉमन पॉइंट बन जाएगा, विच वी कॉल एज कॉमनैलिटी। द कैंडिडेट शुड नॉट बिकम रेस्टलेस। अब कुछ लोग विरोध करते हैं तो रेस्टलेस हो जाते हैं। There many times you will find that people are very poor listeners. Please, this generation should understand that you are unfortunately affected by poor listening and more self-loving. Get out of it. Listen to everyone so that you can stay together as a team. Your being as a team is very important for the armed forces. आपको armed forces में टीम की तरह रहने की चाहिए, पर हाँ कभी कभी आपको तेज बनना पड़ेगा, पर एक्मोडेट भी करना पड़ेगा, राइट? यू विल हैव टू बी। शुड कामली रिजॉल्व द डेडलॉक बाय अलाउइंग अदर्स टू स्पीक एंड आइडेंटिफाई कॉमन लॉज, बट यू कैन नॉट स्टैंड आउटसाइड एंड से ओके बिहेव एज अ टीम। इट विल नॉट। यू विल हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट। ये भी याद रखना। समटाइम द लाउड एंड डोमिनेटिंग गेट्स ओन स्टोरी, द फाइनल कॉमन स्टोरी। ये भी देखा गया है, लाउड एंड डोमिनेटिंग अपने कॉमन स्टोरी तो बना ली, बट एवरीबडी इज हेटिंग दैट पर्सन. Everybody is disagreeing with that person. Everybody does not appreciate that person. You can read it from their eyes. You can read it from their other things. भाई ऐसे दुश्मन बनने से क्या फायदा? Imagine you are a leader and everybody is having a dagger to kill you from behind. मान लीजिए आप एक नेतृत्व में आगे जा रहे हैं और अगर इस तरीके से आपने व्यवहार किया कि आप दूसरों के बारे में कुछ भी, कोई भी लॉजिकल चीज सोच नहीं पाते, हर जगह आपकी मूड, आपकी विम्स, आपकी फैंसीज चले, आर यू क्रेजी? Don't you understand that everything has come some common purpose? But if you're not able to do that, you will suffer. So remember that. So it is sometimes long gets own story, but gets screened out. फिर वो बोलता है यार मेरी स्टोरी कॉमन थी, सब कुछ एग्री हुआ, मुझे स्क्रीन आउट, क्योंकि आपका रवैया गलत है. योर एटीट्यूड वाज रॉन्ग. यू वर नॉट ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट अ टीम स्पिरिट, यू वर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट अ लायन स्पिरिट. Snatching. Come on, become a captain of the team. Learn the examples of these cricket players who are setting examples and leading the team. But to make healthy efforts to come to a logical common, the cheerfulness on the face, ये भी बहुत important है. आपके चेहरे में you should not look very sad. You should look cheerful. Come on, have it. And on any aggression, or rather, don't look shocked also or amused. Don't make all these funny faces. I've seen so many times people behaving so funny that I myself find if I imitate them, I look more funny. So the only thing is you have to learn not to look amused. Don't laugh at others. It's a group discussion. So neither look shocked, neither laugh at others. Enjoy your participation with cheerfulness. Is it clear? Now, what are not desirable during discussion? Please come to these streets. Dominative action. Some people want to dominate. To force one story upon others would be unfortunate and a cause of rejection. You will get convinced some part, okay, some suggestion from my story, this suggestion for common story. You can say, no, this will be the common story, will not work. Is it clear? Next, subdued proposal. You are saying something with so meekness as if you are begging. Remember in life, if you are going to be students anywhere, you are going to be successful anywhere. Remember, if I as a teacher want to pass a legacy to you all people, अगर मैं एक अध्यापक के रूप को आपको कुछ विरासत में देना चाहता हूं, तो मैं एक चीज सिखाना चाहता हूं, कभी भीख मत मांगिए, सबल बनिए. कभी इतना विनम्र मत बनिए कि दूसरा अपने ताकत में, गुरूर में, नशेचूर में आपके साथ बदतमीजी करे. यह अक्सर आज की समाज की सबसे कॉमन परेशानी है. आपका यह तात्पर्य नहीं होता कि आप उससे लड़े, अब बोले सॉरी मैं आपसे डिसएग्री करता हूं, पर आपकी भाषा शैली अच्छी होनी चाहिए. यू शुड हैव गुड स्पीकिंग स्टाइल, बट यू शुड बी फर्म टू से नो. इफ यू डोंट, यू आर गेटिंग बर्डन्ड. रिमेंबर दिस. Subdued proposal where candidate is unable to express or communicate. अगर communicate नहीं कर पाएगा, thus compromising too much by not contributing verbally or logically would also suffer rejection. आप बोल ही नहीं पा रहे हो, आपको लग रहा है जैसे ही आप बोलते हो वो बोलते चुप रहो, तो आप चुप हो जाते हो. Don't do that. अगर वो चुप रहे तो खिसियाओ भी मत. Don't get frustrated. Rather, excuse me, please enjoy your participation. Excuse me, I would also, okay, you said, now I would also enjoy it. Enjoy your GD. Enjoy your participation. And don't overspeak. Speak only few points. Is it clear? See, if you look at me with that ways, that I am speaking much, see, I am a teacher. So I have to explain. So I sometimes speak a lot. So please forgive that. So don't glare at me that look who's talking. I am talking because I have to teach. But when you are participating as a participant, you have to speak relevantly and only to the point. Is it clear? Okay, let's come down. Now, aggressive behavior. Don't get aggravated. And change your faces. Your face gets warm with red color. Don't do that. Please. Keep your emotions under control. Imagine that you will come across jokers. And I have to enjoy. The moment you have this attitude that you will take it easy, you will do well. So do not do. That can lead to rejection. The required approach is assertive participation. What do you mean by assertive participation? Assertive means speaking with confidence, our point. We are not trying to say this will be the final point. We are proposing a point. Excuse me, I have a suggestion. Why don't we do? I have suggested, assertively said, not dominative, this will be it. No, I did not say that. So assertive approach is very good, where the candidate speaks effectively yet in a polite fashion. To compromise for a logical conclusion by cooperative action is welcome. Thus one must neither shout nor keep silent, but make efforts to contribute towards a common conclusion. You should help for coming to a common conclusion. As a team member with a calm and composed behavior, you should help. The variance to raise volume with a polite tone is acceptable. So the candidate must be dynamic. Now, that does not mean that in the polite tone, you don't, excuse me, what I want to, you can do that. Little bit of variance is okay, but not regular shouting. Is it clear? That situation you won't have. You shout when you come across idiots who are not at all listening. And if you think that it is very important to listen, then you shout. And when you realize that they will not listen, then what do? You become shut. So in places where you have to really work, there are times, but this is a professional place. So don't get your emotions too heavy. Just take it easy. You've said your point, that's it. Professionally, you have to learn to control your emotions to a reasonable level of intelligence. आपको अपने संवेग को एक बुद्धिमत्ता पे लाना होगा. मेथोडोलॉजी ऑफ पार्टिसिपेशन, अब जरा 3 तरीके के तो सीखिए, बहुत अच्छे से ग्रुप डिस्कशन कर लेंगे आप. You will all do it very well. Before group discussion, be a good listener. वो तो आपने रीजनिंग टाइम पे भी, नरेशन के टाइम पे एक आइडिया ले लिया. डाटा इनका ये मोटा माटी, नॉट डिटेल्ड, मोटा माटी. इसने फायर पे स्टोरी बनाई, इसने बनाई, ये बनाई, पिक कर लिया नरेशन में. नाउ वंस यू हैव अब्सॉर्ब्ड, लिसनिंग टू रीड आउट इज स्टेप नंबर 1 फॉर इट इज अ सोर्स ऑफ नॉलेज मिल गया, विच कैन बी वेरी यूजफुल इन कमिंग टू अ कॉमन कंक्लूजन. यूज कर सकते कि अच्छा इसमें लॉजिकल ये पॉइंट छोड़ा जा सकता है, राइट? थ्रू एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑब्जर्वेशंस, we have created a mental method which can help you come to a very good group discussion conclusion. Number 1 method is majority. Suppose everyone has seen a fire situation and all have written a fire story. So now here the process is majority. When you get, people have seen 2-3 different type of things. Some have seen fire, some have seen some earthquake, some have seen building falling. Now 3 different stories are coming. Here you will use clubbing. And in place where there is too much variety, then you can go step by step to conclude. That we can start with this, then we can show this, then we can do this. Is it clear? अभी बताऊंगा, explain करूंगा. So let's go that. Right. Now, majority क्या होता है? The candidate by this style of discussion can use the common story of all as exposed during to come to a story as per majority and adopt few good changes to help conclude. अब सब लोग ने उसी प्रकार की लिखी तो उसमें थोड़ा change डाल दिया कि ये डाल देते हैं, हो जाएगा. हाँ या ना? So here, friends, as most of us, example सुनिए please, this example will make it clear. Friends, as most of us have written a story related to fire control, we can agree to take this as the main plot and improve it as per suggestion by including action suggested differently by others. किसी ने कहा human chain बना लो, किसी ने कुछ कहा, right? That's how you control the fire, and thus making the final story plot excellent and wholesome. Wholesome means having all the points. Thereafter, once or twice participate to streamline the discussion and lead towards conclusion. फिर क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग? We can streamline. And you know, once you have said this much, फिर आप शुरू हो सकते हो कि चलो भाई, yes, okay, yes, थोड़े बहुत point कर सकते हैं, right? Now, what have you done by this majority addressal? तुम्हारी एक impressive, you know, you have given impressive direction for the group discussion, and that is beautiful. Logical point है. Next, we come down to clubbing opinion. The candidate by this style can use few good ideas of others in plot that can be clubbed together and thus move towards conclusion. अब मान लीजिए कुछ लोगों ने कुछ कहा है, कुछ लोगों ने कुछ कहा है, getting them together क्योंकि हर प्रकार के लोग की तो क्लबिंग नहीं हो सकती. There is a possibility that this is logical, this is logical. Now there is a fire situation, somebody is sinking, and there is somebody saying short circuiting. Nearly we can club them together. Somebody is saying an earthquake, come fire, and somebody is saying flood. Now flood, totally different. Here, earthquake and fire can be clubbed together. There is a small earthquake and there is a short circuiting, and fire has come. So let's do this. We can also do this. We can do this, and we can come. मैं आपको एक लॉजिकल पैटर्न सिखा रहा हूं आपके दिमाग को. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको आता नहीं है, जगा रहा हूं आपके अंदर के वो जो हीरो है ना, उसको जगा रहा हूं. आई एम वेकिंग दैट पर्सन. द कॉमन सेंस हैज टू बी देयर. रिमेंबर, साइकोलॉजी मीन्स कीपिंग योर माइंड कूल and playing the common sense beautifully. Thus you will get everybody together. Understood? Friend, as I heard in the readout, a few good themes can be gelled together. Gelled man, जोड़े जा सकते हैं. And as chess number X, chess number Y and chess number Z suggested, we can assimilate them to a common story, adding the good elements to a comprehensive level. There, कर लिया आपने, ये बोल लिया, ये जोड़ सकते हैं, ये जोड़ सकते हैं, और जो भी जोड़ रहे उसका जिक्र कर दीजिए. यू कैन गिव द डिटेल्स एंड यू कैन ऐड दोस 2-3 स्टोरीज. यू कैन शो एफर्ट दैट यू आर मेकिंग एफर्ट टू कम टू कॉमन स्टोरी इन यूजिंग योर ब्रेन टू डू दैट. दैट्स इट. देन once or twice participate. You can participate to help conclusion by cooperating. Is it clear? Remember your original personality is appreciated, but if it is becoming logical, it becomes beautiful. That is why we are teaching you. We are not teaching you to become a artificial personality. We are teaching you to become a wise personality. And wise people are accepted by wise organization. And armed forces is a wise organization. भाई देखिए, अगर आप पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं तो वहां पे जरूरी नहीं कि आपकी बुद्धिमत्ता के आधार पे आपको चयन किया जाए, बट फौज में बुद्धिमत्ता के आधार पे आपका चयन होता है. You are selected on the basis of your wisdom. So remember that. Step by step concluding की बात करते हैं. The candidate, when faced with too much variety of thoughts, अब कई varieties आगे, can then step by step move towards a common story. By finalizing the character, then propose the plot and so on. Is it clear? Now let's take this example. Friend, as we have very different stories as per the readout, so we can begin with finalizing a hero as commonly a youth by ये है. Thereafter, as per the picture, we can finalize the main plot. थोड़ा सा डायरेक्शन दीजिए, जिक्र भी कीजिए क्या बोल रहे हैं, like accident or awareness or organizing, so that we can improve the action and finalize the common story. So you've given a good idea, but don't try to become the boss. Try to be the participant. Don't say, let's do this. You say that, I have a suggestion, we can take this, we can take this. Now fill those necessary, fill in the blanks. And you will get a beautiful point to discuss, to give direction to your discussion. Is it clear? Okay. And let others speak once or twice, help in conclusion. एक दो बार बात करना. पार्टिसिपेशन डिग्री, ये भी जरा सुनिए. कई बार लोग पार्टिसिपेट करते तो कुछ इतना ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करते कि दूसरों को बोलने ही नहीं देते. Now here comes participate once. In an extremely aggressive group and a fish market situation, the one prominent effort to help discussion towards conclusion can also facilitate selection. Once, आपने अगर कई लोग गटर पटर बोल रहे तो एक बार अच्छा पॉइंट बोले काफी, बट पार्टिसिपेट करिएगा. देखिएगा, इट इज अ कंपैरेटिव परफॉर्मेंस. इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्पीकिंग, once you have spoken good point and you don't get opportunity, no problem, you still will get selected, but you should speak a good point. So yet efforts to create cooperation, but thereafter you should cooperate, help people to come. Even in fish market situation, if you've spoken once very nicely, you already done a good narration, you already done good in OIR, you already written a reasonable story, so you're getting screened. Is it clear? So but in fish market situation, you think you should speak maximum, you should speak 2-3 times, 4-5 times. I'm sorry to say, you may be misunderstood as non-cooperative and trouble creator. आप ऐसे में आपको एक ट्रबल क्रिएटर या नॉन कोऑपरेटिव समझा जा सकता है, ये दुर्भाग्य हो सकता है, तो ध्यान रखिएगा. Now next we come down twice. हेल्दी पार्टिसिपेशन 2 बार अच्छा होता है. एक बार आपने एक पॉइंट बोला, एक बार और बोल लिया. So where one can participate effectively and in both times give relevant points. एक पॉइंट ये दे दिया, एक दूसरा पॉइंट दे दिया to facilitate. It can be very healthy provided the group is. ये जजमेंट आपको करना है कि ग्रुप कैसा है. 2 बार बोल रहे हैं, ज्यादा तो नहीं होगा, ओके, बट थिंक वाइजली एंड स्पीक. डोंट बी क्रेजी अबाउट अपॉर्चुनिटीज. कई लोग ऐसा भी सोचते हैं कि कई बार बोलो, अरे पता तो लगे. पता नहीं, आपको महसूस करने वाले बहुत तेज है. The officers are excellent in observing you. Thrice, a little more than healthy participation in case the group is very active. अगर ग्रुप काफी एक्टिव है और 3 बार बोलोगे तो पॉसिबिलिटी है कि काफी लोग आपको अपोज करने लगे. प्लस यू मे नॉट बी साउंडिंग इफेक्टिव. You may be speaking irrelevant in the desire to speak 2-3 times. So when you speak once, you speak condensed. मतलब एक अच्छे से समरी वाला अच्छा सा अच्छे कथन बोलेंगे ना. एक बार बोलेंगे, 2 बार भी बोलेंगे तो अच्छे कथन. कई बार बोलने की इच्छा में कई बार आप येन गेन बोलने लगेंगे. That's wrong. 4 और 4+ it may be excessive. बिल्कुल काफी ज्यादा हो जाएगा और नॉन कोऑपरेटिव डोमिनेंस दिखने लगेगा. संभवत आप स्क्रीनड आउट हो जाएंगे. You will get screened out because many of you think that I have to speak. Arey, you have to speak, but you don't have to take a fire and disturb others. Remember, armed forces is picking you for a team membership and leadership. So remember, that is very important. Points to remember. In case goes well and the group testing tells one to continue, you may volunteer. However, you should call all the points and in conclusion should include. अगर आपको बोला जाए कंक्लूजन दीजिए तो देखिए कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स हैं, उनको जोड़ के बोलिए ताकि ये ना लगे कि आप कंक्लूजन में बस अपने ही बोलते जा रहे. वे ऑफ कंक्लूडिंग, किस तरीके से कंक्लूड करते हैं ये भी देखा जाता है. प्लीज प्रोमिनेंटली स्पीक एंड डिलीवर द स्टोरी. अच्छे से बोलिए, डिलीवर द स्टोरी. इन केस कैंडिडेट डिजायर्स टू ऐड और ऑब्जेक्ट. अब मान लीजिए कोई जन आपका ऑब्जेक्ट करता है कि नहीं ये बोलना है, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? You should not make your face. How dare you say in front of? Don't you know that the emperor is here and you are speaking in front? इस प्रकार की सोच मत रखिए. हर जन को ऑब्जेक्ट करने की सुविधा है. अगर उसका पॉइंट अच्छा है तो उसको मन में अप्रिशिएट करिए, नॉट करिए. पर अगर आपको लगता है इररेलेवेंट है तो बस नॉर्मल ब्लैंक फेस रखिए. डोंट ट्राई टू शो फ्रस्ट्रेशन. एवरीबडी हैज अ राइट टू ऑब्जेक्ट. In case you are object to raise, you may just at some point in case majorly ignored in conclusion, though discussed, otherwise you may agree with the same. Don't be a nuisance creator, but also not a subdued person in case of gross difference. ज़्यादा nuisance creator मत बनिए और ना ही दबिए. Is it clear? Remember this. Important word of caution. आप लोग अगर एक communication workshop कहीं पे भी, if you wherever you are in part of the country, you do that. And for you, we are already working up. When you practice by yourself, you are removing the fear. Many of the boys have been giving lectures. I request others also to participate and give lectures. It helps you in the camera. It doubly helps you in confidence. Do that. So do communication walk. Fluidity, थोड़ी speech को ठीक करने के लिए public fear खत्म करिए. Overcoming hesitation. You know, if you take a logical point, there's nothing wrong in going down to few people who are giving you counseling in extra. But if you have a filter mind, because you know, many a time people come and tell me that they went to XYZ coaching, that officer was teaching. Every officer teaches you good. The details may differ. He may speak little, he may speak less, he may take because of n number of factors. He may have not evaluated you properly, he may not have suggested you personally. That can be difference. But no officer is teaching absolute nonsense. So you can go down and you can practice. But if you use these, bars or what should I say, standards, it will help you filter and become more confident. So stress management आ जाएगा. नहीं तो कई बार लगता है ना दूसरा मेरी बात ही नहीं सुन रहा है, तनाव आने लगता है. एग्रेशन आ जाए, एग्रेशन कंट्रोल आ जाएगा. कंसेंसस क्रिएट कैसे करते हैं, एक्सक्यूज मी, आई थिंक यू आर राइट, व्हाई नॉट वी डू दिस, ये सब आ जाएगा. effectively avoiding stammering, हड़बड़ा के बोले तो ये बंद हो जाएगा, blockage of thoughts कि क्या बोले. कई बार लोग चिल्लाते रहते हैं and when they get the opportunity they say, oh, I've forgotten. How funny. Why did it happen? Don't, relax. Do it to effectively contribute and appropriate. Is it clear? In PPTT along with necessary, याद रखिएगा OIR भी आपकी देखी जाती है. Is it clear? So एक थोड़ा सा PPTT में याद करिएगा क्या 3 points, majority, clubbing and step by step.